Oh, hi. What's your name? Okay. So first, oh, yes, you will need to sign this. Thank you. Now, now let me look. I need your ID, like your driver's license or whatever. Thank you. Is this real? I mean, let me see. Looks pretty good. Is this really real? I guess it is because it matches the signature. Now let's check. So that's your signature. Let me check this off of the list. Now here's the back. Okay. So next we're gonna put that over there. Okay. So you gotta try and read and guess these colors. So what's that one? Okay, yellow. Yes, you got that right. Okay, green. Blue. And purple. That's good. So.
You need to lay down. Time. Where's your toothbrush?
Okay. Now next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna look at these and see them. Okay, so you stopped right here at W? Okay, that's good. So, let's see. Let me check that off the list. And check this one. And there we go. Now you're gonna have to sign right here and right here. Okay. Okay. So that's your last name signature. Okay.
All-time sackers in the NFL, you're going to draw a lot of attention, and that's exactly what has happened tonight. Chris Jones, they've either been sliding the protection this way, teams, but they have basically been able to keep him off of Zach Wilson until right before the half. When he got the sack, he only gets one sack, somehow it feels like a win for the Jets.
We're telling you, you gotta go to bed. You gotta go to Fruitland tomorrow, dude. You have to go to Chase or you gotta go to the dentist, dude.
No, you go to
You got how many teeth you gotta pull out of your mouth, dude.
To make the tackles, conversation with Legarius Steve and Garrett Willis continues to be a bigger impact guy on this defense.
Yeah, they really love guys that when Nick Bolton now has gotten a lot more playing time. Chanel and Drew Tranquil.
Okay. So that's good. I mean, hands to the next with that. There we go. I'm back now. You need to sign this and bring it back tomorrow. Write your signature right there and check mark if you want a $35 prescription and glasses and eye drops. For only $35, there's a discount and it ends tomorrow. So there you go. Okay, now it'll be a little while. Bye.
On the outside between Garrett Wilson and Legarius Sneed. They just have been going at it almost every play.
Come on, Jets. Look at ball game.
The next day.
First down.
Oh, you came back and
Nice.
thank you.
Stop.
Sorry for the background. It's just the dentists.
Lay down. Now.
There. I mean the eye doctors. There you go. Okay, thank you. And I also need your driver's license. Okay. Let me get a note real fast. Put this on like your fridge, whatever.
Camera operators, replay folks, pressure on from speed.
Got it away.
To Conklin.
First down.
Tyler Conklin gets a first down right around midfield. He's having quite a good night. His fourth catch on the evening.
And give Zach Wilson a little credit here too. They had the edge block.
Okay.
But they did not have
And then I
Legere
will
Sneed block.
give you this note.
And as Zach Wilson turns around, just a simple flip. He's playing quarterback tonight, Mike.
Nice throw.
9 throws
See that?
for Zach Wilson on the night. 28 to 39.
There we go. Now let me give this to the nurse. Now sign your now sign your signature right here.
Minutes here in this fourth quarter.
And just so everybody knows what's going on,
There
Zach
you
Wilson
go.
against the line of scrimmage, they call 2 plays and then they go can, which means let's go to play number 2.
Thank you.
And that's the full extent of it. When Aaron
Okay,
Rodgers was running
now
this
let me
offense,
give this
it
to
could
the
be
nurse.
we're going to
I'll
play
be back
number 2.
in
I'm
2
going to give you a
seconds.
hand signal, you're going to run a corner, I'm going to give you a hand signal, you're going to run a dig route on the other side. So they're getting there.
There we go. Now let me write a note for you to come back Sunday.
Halfway through the fourth.
Oh!
And was that recovered by work inside? Yes.
Can't see got it.
Comes away with it for Kansas City. It had been such a good
Wow.
Look
Look at that Fumbarooski, fool.
Okay. Come back Sunday. Come back Sunday. And I'll also put this on your notes that you have to sign your that you have to sign your
Yeah,
contract on.
but the Jets just lost the ball.
Okay, you're done. So let me put this on your fridge Sunday. Okay? Tomorrow's Monday. Today is Monday. No, today's Saturday. So come back tomorrow. And also, yes, this driver license is due tomorrow. So, oh, and one more thing.
Game day, baby. We got the team, we got the scheme. This year, we're going all the way.
We're going all the way too.
Sounds great. Game day is a we thing, and Smirnoff is
Okay, let me do one more thing.
Meet the Chevy CR2 family.
Okay, now here you go. Let me put this on your notes. Oh, and bring this home. You're gonna need it and practice every single day. And then I'll also put it in here. It's just something. Oh, wait. That's for my desk. Okay, what you're gonna need to do is come back every single Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
You're being too loud.
Okay? Okay. Okay. Come back every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And this, okay. This is gonna be
And this
right
burger is your home.
here.
It can be more affordable if you bundle
There we go.
them together.
Now come back Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And, oh yeah, one more note.
Bundling, just another way to save with a personal price plan. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Sunday Night Football is brought to you by The Exorcist Believer, only in theaters Friday. And by Modelo, the mark of a fighter.
Oh, wait, one more note.
Open since
It's
1929.
just one more.
Greenwich Village over in the city. We're talking about pizza last week in Vegas. That's pizza.
Oh, wait, one more.
Big mistake.
Just one.
For Zach Wilson and the
I
Jets, the
promise.
Chiefs get a great opportunity to take a 2-score lead. 47.